Right now, you are standing at a crossroads. You can take the stuff that you've learned in this course and you can file it away somewhere and never look at it like most YouTube videos that you watch, or you can use what you've learned to start building the life that most traders only dream of. What I want to do in this video is I want to talk to you about how to make that transformation real. Before I do that, I want to congratulate you on completing the 101 trading course. That alone puts you ahead of most people who dabble in trading but never really invest in themselves. You've built a foundation that can change the way that you approach the markets, and ultimately, it can change your financial future. But the real difference comes down to what you do next. The traders who see real and lasting results are not just the ones who know the basics and know a couple of strategies, they're the ones who continue building, connecting, investing in themselves, and getting feedback as they grow. I'm convinced that you will go further faster with others and with continual growth than if you just kind of stagnate and take what you put into practice or take what you've learned alone. Okay, so here's how you can kind of keep the momentum going that you have started on this journey with me. Okay, the first thing I would encourage you to do is you can grab the next course. Okay, if you're ready to take your skills to the next level and you're ready to start building an actual playbook of trades, jump into the 201 course. It is packed with advanced strategies and real world trade breakdowns to help you grow faster than you ever thought you could. Another thing you can do is you can join the Legacy Profits Club. If you want the full experience, you want access to every course that I release, you want daily trade ideas to help you put that stuff into practice right away, you want exclusive tools, you want a community full of traders who are actually supporting each other and want to see you succeed, become a member of the Legacy Profits Club for a low fee every month. You'll get all the resources and support that you need all in one place. And then finally, I just want to extend an offer to you, okay? If you want personal guidance or you just have questions about what is my next move, how can I grow, what is a specific plan that I can follow, I'm offering a free consultation call. There's no sales pitch, just a real conversation about your goals and how you can move forward. So you can use the link below to book your spot there. Those fill up fast. I only take a few a week, so don't wait on that. I have seen traders completely change their results by taking just one of these steps, and I want to see you do the same. You've already proven yourself committed. You've worked your way through this course. Now let's make sure that all of the effort that you've put in pays off. So don't just let this be another course that you've finished. Take action. Grab the next course, join the Legacy Profits Club, or book your free call. Okay, I'm here to help you build the freedom and the confidence that you set out for when you first started trading. I'm looking to help you with the stuff that I wish I knew when I first started trading. So let's get to work, and I'll see you inside.